Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my latest Misfits Market order and it came from a carrier other than FedEx. It came from a company delivering, anyway, called CDL. Have you ever heard of CDL? This is the first order I've gotten from Misfits Market that has come from anywhere other than FedEx. Maybe they're saving money. I don't know. Maybe the box will be in better shape on the inside. We'll have to see. But before we get this open, if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon right next to it. And if you're not new here and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. All right, let's get this box open. See what we have in here. Two ice packs, and they put them right on top, which we saw the other day, actually just the other day, with Farm Box Direct. They put their ice packs on the bottom and on the sides so that it doesn't crush anything. And I did not order strawberries this time. And the reason I did not order strawberries is because I've never gotten good strawberries from Misfits because they smush the top of the box with the ice packs. That would be a really simple thing to fix, and you think they'd be able to do that. So we have some organic lemony arugula. Now, I don't think I've ever had lemony arugula. It says it's a blend of arugula and lemony sorrel. So we'll see what that's like. And then we have some rosemary. This looks okay. Normal. Some green leaf lettuce. This is the same kind we've been getting, and it looks fresh. It looks pretty good. Some baby bella mushrooms. These look okay. An organic sprout sampler. I really do like these. I just toss them in with a salad, and I really like them. And we have some thyme. Some kale. This is curlier than I thought. I thought it was going to be flat leaf kale. And this is unspecified, but I believe it was supposed to have been flat leaf kale. Not a big deal, but I do prefer flat leaf kale. And again, just want to point out that everything in this box is organic. Another bunch of lettuce. This one's been a little smushed because why would you put an ice pack that weighs, God, this has to be at least a couple pounds. Why would you put this on top of that delicate lettuce? Does that make sense to you? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. It seems crazy. Ooh. 4 plum tomatoes, and these were packaged nicely and they're in good shape because they weren't just thrown into the box. It's really nice to see that. I get very excited. You guys know I get really excited about produce, but I get super excited when they package things nicely. Let's see, is this another? Yep, more tomatoes. These are really nice. They're in really good shape. This one's a little smushy, but the rest of them are firm. And by smushy, I don't mean it's bad. It's fine. It's just the other ones are very firm, and there's one that's a little bit more ripe than the others, but there's nothing wrong with it. Some zucchini. These are a little nicked up a bit, and that's probably what makes them Misfits. Scallions, and these look like they're in pretty good shape, and they are marked organic because we love that. For a while, it was really hard to get scallions. They were always elusive, and I kept getting onions instead of scallions. And the worst part about that was they weren't telling me until I got it. We have some limes, and these look pretty good. They're green, they're not yellow. Sometimes from Misfits, you'll get limes that are a little bit yellow. I mean, they taste like limes, they're fine. But the color's a little off. And some more, so we have 6 limes. Some pears, and these don't look so great. These have a lot of blemishes on them. And these are the Asian pear. So they're supposed to be this shape, but the color isn't great. And they're very, very firm. So they're not quite ripe yet. A beautiful fennel. This is really pretty. Some parsley, and this is curly, and I believe I ordered flat parsley because I don't normally cook with curly parsley. This is more for garnishing and ornamental purposes, and I'm not sure why I got it because it was supposed to be flat. Radishes with the greens attached. That's always nice. Oh, and they put a piece of paper to separate that from this stuff. That's a nice step. Some celery, a very large lone beet, and this looks a little bit like a Hershey's Kiss. Have you ever seen a beet shaped like a Hershey's Kiss? You have now. Ginger, it's good because I was almost out of ginger. Parsnips, I ordered these extra. More ginger. This is nice. Good amount of ginger. Looks good. Another beet. So it wasn't, the Hershey's Kiss beet wasn't a lone beet. There are 2. But this one is a little bit more fun of a shape. Do you agree? What do you think? Would it bother you getting misshapen produce? I'd like to know. A melon. This is a Gallia melon. Very pretty. And lemons. Yay! I was running out of lemons. And some very tiny and flat red onions. Now, the flatter the onion, they say, the more sweet it is. So I wonder if these are sweet red onions. What do you think? Are they just Misfits? Or do you think they're going to be sweet? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Here is a shot of my sink, and it's pretty full with all this produce. Tell me what you think. How do you think the value is for this? The quality is pretty good. I've been really happy with Misfits Market. While the produce can be a misfit, that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. And I feel like I got a lot of value from this. And while I do really like Farm Box Direct too, and I love their quality, it's a lot more expensive and you get less. So how do you guys feel about this? Have you tried both, or have you tried one or the other? What do you think of Misfits Market? And do you have another produce delivery service that I should try? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more content like this, I do unboxing videos, usually once a week, sometimes more. So hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon right next to it so you'll never miss a video. It goes a long way to help other people find the channel. That's all for now. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye!